one of the worst things that a product manager can do is to fall in love with their product. Because often, even within a development team or within either the product designers and developers themselves, when we start building together something from scratch and take it to launch and see it grow and see it have good results, it's easy to be attached to it. And sometimes jokingly people say, oh, it's my little baby. And if you think it's not your little baby, it's not something that you should be attached to, because if you are attached to it emotionally and not rationally, you will tend to make mistakes in terms of evaluating if you should keep going through that path, because it was your assumption and you really believe that it will work.
You become biased.
You become biased, yes, and it's really important for the sake of the product itself and the work that you do and the health of the team to be rational about it and look at data and look at all the information that you have available to make the best decisions.
You